आज जब नरेंद्र मोदी जी जीत करके आ गए हैं और हमने जो सर्वेक्षण किया था आपके द्वारा एसएमएस द्वारा, कई बार ये बात यहां पर हो चुकी है कि तकरीबन 95% लोगों ने यही कहा था कि वो मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में नरेंद्र मोदी को एक बार फिर देखना चाहेंगे। इसी के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे थोड़ी देर के बाद। हमारे साथ हैं इस वक्त एलेक्स पदमसी साहब, जनाब तुषार गांधी जी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वंस अगेन शाइना एनसी back over here with us, and a very, very pleased looking Shaina as well. But first, before we go to all three of them, a look at the headlines.
मोदी के जादू तले कांग्रेस चारों खाने चित, गुजरात में बीजेपी को बहुमत, दिल्ली से लेकर अहमदाबाद तक पार्टी कार्यकर्ताओं में जश्न। मणिनगर में मोदी की बड़ी जीत, दिनशा पटेल को दी 87,000 से ज्यादा वोटों से मात, 27 को लेंगे मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ। हार से मायूस कांग्रेस में शुरू हुआ मंथन, क्यों नहीं चला राहुल का रोड शो और सोनिया का जादू, तो सिब्बल हुए मोदी के मुरीद। और एनसीपी नेता शरद पवार मिले शिवसेना सुप्रीमो बाला साहब ठाकरे से, राजनीतिक गलियारों में मची खलबली।
जी, आगे चलकर हम ये भी बात करेंगे आखिरकार शरद पवार जी क्यों मिलने गए बाला साहब ठाकरे को। उन्होंने कहा है कि उनकी तबीयत कैसी थी वही जानने के लिए गए, ऐसा शरद पवार जी का कहना है। लेकिन फिलहाल, as we promised you, right now with us, Alex back. Thank you so much, Alex, for coming over here.
Pleasure to be here.
Right. Last time that Alex came over here, he cried. I don't know why he did that. He got very emotional. And Tushar Gandhi also with us, and Shaina is back with us. And Shaina,
yes.
Thank you so much for coming, and congratulations, your party's won.
Thank you. And
Amazing.
thank you to the verdict of the people.
And
Verdict of the Gujarat people, yeah. So,
right, I
part
mean,
of it.
well, a very large part.
Very large
Clear
part, true,
verdict.
a very large part.
And
No doubt.
verdict which has stunned everyone in the media here. But having said that, I think that this is a clear-cut case where you had the media, certain section of society, only criticizing Modi, but the eventual result has proved to be the development and progress that has happened in Gujarat is something that the people are clear.
और ये बात मैं एक बार फिर दोहराना चाहूंगा आपके सामने, और तुषार गांधी साहब मैं चाहूंगा कि आप भी इस पर रिएक्ट करें कि मोदी साहब की जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई उन्होंने ये कहा कि ये वोट जो है वो सकारात्मक वोट है, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव वोट, इज नॉट नेगेटिव वोट। जब किसी सरकार को वोट मिलता है, ऑलरेडी इन पावर गवर्नमेंट, यूजुअली एंटी इनकम्बेंसी फैक्टर होता है, लेकिन यहां पर एक सकारात्मक वोट दिया गुजरात की जनता ने। आप कितने सहमत होंगे इस बात से?
नहीं, मैं सहमत हूं कि गुजरात की जनता ने नरेंद्र मोदी को बहुत भारी परसेंटेज से जिता के लिया है, लेकिन यू नो आई एम वेरी अम्यूज्ड बाय द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द बीजेपी एंड आई एम रिमाइंडेड ऑफ अ folk tale from Africa. There used to be a flea living in the ear of an elephant, and it would continuously whisper to the elephant, and one day the elephant walked across the ancient bridge and the bridge collapsed in its wake. And the flea tells the elephant, "Hey guy, we rocked that bridge, didn't we?" And the BJP celebration seems to be like that, because if you look at it, this is a victory of one man. He fought the election as Narendra Modi, as the Narendra Modi for Chief Minister. The BJP is
What
like the
is
flea
wrong
in his
in
ear.
that?
I'm not saying it's
An
wrong, I'm just
individual
putting it right,
who
the
fights
facts right.
on a party plank, but who has tremendous leadership qualities and delivers to the amount that not just Hindus but even Muslims have voted him in. I
As an
think
insurance policy.
that speaks volumes for
What would you say to that, Alex?
Yeah,
Alex,
no.
Alex been wanting to say something, yes. please, go
Yeah,
ahead.
well, China, you know, for once I'm going to agree with you that I think when Modi started his campaign on the development platform, I said, I wish all chief ministers did that. But as it went on, for whatever reasons, and it suddenly became the communalist platform, that's where I took severe objection. And we are not anti-Modi. The secularists are not anti-Modi. We are anti-Modi for his anti-humanity stand. He's pro-Hindutva stand. If he's proud to be a Hindu is a good thing. It's a wonderful thing. Proud to be a Muslim,
But
proud
what
to be
is
a Parsi.
his interpretation
No.
of Hindutva?
Proud
It
to
is
be a
justice
Hindu, I
to
didn't say.
all
No.
and appeasement
Pra-
to none.
Proud to be a Hindu
Hindu
or a
is
Muslim
very,
or
very
a
justice.
Parsi or a... I am against anyone, whether it's the Congress or the BJP or any party in this country being anti-humanity. And by that I mean in the riots, or they're not even riots, in the kind of pogrom that was carried out in Gujarat 5 years ago, none of those people have really been brought to justice.
No,
That
yeah,
means,
Alec.
was it the hand of God that killed them? Or
No, wait a
who
minute,
was
Alec,
it?
Alec,
Yeah,
Alec,
yeah.
I put it to you, Alec, I put it to
Yeah.
you, and I put it to you, Tushar.
Yeah.
The fact remains that as far as the Congress is concerned, whatever we've observed during the course of the election, चुनाव के दौरान ये था कि जहां तक कांग्रेस का सवाल है या बाकी जितने भी सो कॉल्ड सेक्युलरिस्ट हैं, आप लोग उसमें इंक्लूडेड हैं, मैं आपको ये बताऊं कि साफ तौर पर ऑल ऑफ यू परहैप्स फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग इन अ टाइम वॉर्ड, आप लोग राइट्स की बात कर रहे थे और नरेंद्र मोदी डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहे थे।
No, no,
बिल्कुल।
no, no,
तो
no,
दोनों
no,
में कहीं
no,
ना
no,
कहीं
no.
किसने
कहीं ना
चालू किया
कहीं
ये
लगता
मौका
ये है
सौदागर?
एलेक्स साहब
Not at
कि
all, sir.
कहीं ना कहीं
I
शायद
said,
गुजरात
I'm
की
very
जनता
clear. No, no, Rajiv, let me finish. I
please,
said
please go
very
ahead.
clearly that I entirely agree with the development platform, and though I can't say I'm a fan
Well,
of
okay,
Mr. Modi, I
Unfortunately, the
saluted
Congress
him
really had
on
no-
that issue that he was talking about development. And any
Oh,
chief
yeah.
minister, I wish we could talk, in all the states about development.
In the
It was
beginning,
only
yeah.
when he suddenly went into the communal problem, maybe instigated by this one or that one or the other, he should have
हकीकत
steered
ये
clear
थी
and
कि
said,
कांग्रेस के
look,
पास
as
कोई
far as
मुद्दा
I'm
था ही
concerned,
नहीं।
I'm not communalist.
No, here I'm coming to that. No, 1
हकीकत
minute.
की बात
जी,
ये है
शाइना
कि
बिल्कुल।
कांग्रेस के पास कोई मुद्दा था
ना,
ही
शाइना,
नहीं
जहां तक
और
आपका सवाल है,
कांग्रेस के पास कोई लीडर भी नहीं था।
लेट्स बी वेरी क्लियर ऑन वन थिंग, जहां तक आपका सवाल है, आपके लिए काम बहुत आसान हो गया क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने लड़ाई के पहले हथियार डाल दिए। लेट्स बी वेरी क्लियर। तुषार, इजंट इट ट्रू, एज फार एज द कांग्रेस इज कंसर्न, कांग्रेस की जो कैंपेन थी बिल्कुल लंगड़ी मरी हुई कैंपेन थी, किसी ने कुछ खास नहीं कहा, सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट आई सोनिया गांधी जी की तरफ से, मौत का सौदागर बुलाया गया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को, और वहां पर भी उन्होंने विड्रॉ कर लिया। कांग्रेस के पास जो शाइना ने मुद्दा उठाया, आखिरकार मुद्दा क्या था? आप कांग्रेस में होते हुए भी हम जानते हैं कि कांग्रेस ने जो कुछ भी जहां पर भी आपके मुताबिक गलत किया है, आप बिल्कुल बोलते हैं। हम चाहेंगे कि आप ये बताएं।
मैं तो ये कहता हूं कि मेरी पार्टी के लिए ये एक वेकअप अलार्म है कि उठे और अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को निभाए, क्योंकि हमें पर्याय तो देना ही है, हमें पर्याय देना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है और ये देना पड़ेगा। इस चुनाव में क्या गलत हुआ उसका पोस्टमार्टम ऑनेस्टली होगा तो बहुत बढ़िया होगा, उसके बारे में छानबीन शिनाख्त होगी तो भी बहुत बढ़िया होगी। मैं ये कंसीड करता हूँ एज अ पर्सन हु इज वेरी कीन अबाउट गुजरात, तो मैं ये कंसीड जरूर करता हूँ कि हमने नरेंद्र मोदी का जो वोटर के ऊपर कैरिस्मेटिक होल्ड था उसके लिए कोई पर्याय नहीं दे पाए हम, और ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी मुझे लगता है कि गलती और हार थी।
ना, as far as the viewers are concerned, as far as the viewer concerned, this is the question for our viewers। ये हमारे दर्शकों के लिए एक बार फिर सवाल है, आप लोगों ने हमें जो कुछ भी लिखा वो बिल्कुल 16 ने सही हुआ। बार बार हम लोग यही कह रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि जहां तक बहुमत का प्रश्न हो, जनमत का प्रश्न हो, जनता जिसको ओवरवेलमिंग नंबर्स में इतने ज्यादा तबके से जिसको समर्थन करे, ये नहीं है कि वो सही है या गलत है। हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि उनको समर्थन मिला है, हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी जीत करके आए हैं। हम आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे जी, ऑलराइट, हम ये जानना चाहेंगे, दैट वाज तुषार गांधी साहब बाय द वे सेइंग के ये कहते हुए कि समर्थन एडोल्फ हिटलर को भी मिला था, ऐसा तुषार गांधी साहब का कहना है।
Yes, and I second that. I
Right,
second that.
fine.
Once you say the minorities are the enemy, and don't forget the end of
Let me put it to our viewers.
that came out.
What I would like to know from our viewers is, would you like to see Mr. Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of the country?
Yes.
This is what I would like to ask all our viewers. हमारे दर्शकों के लिए कि क्या आप नरेंद्र मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में देखना चाहेंगे? आप आगे भी टाइप करें, अपना नाम टाइप करें, अपने शहर का नाम टाइप करें जहां पर आप हमें देख रहे हैं, और अपने SMS भेजें 590904। Please do send them in. Right. Shaina, would you like to see Narendra Modi as Prime Minister?
In due course of time, I mean, he's shown his leadership qualities. Of course, right now the best option for the party is LK Advani, and we all
Everyone must toe the line. Yeah.
No, we're not
And
towing the
Narendra Modi
line.
has
We
agreed
think that
to
he's
agree
a
with that.
statesman.
No, it's
he's
a good thing you're
statesman.
towing the line,
No,
because a
and
good party
also-
has to
and-
toe the line.
And not just that, he's a statesman. He's the tallest leader in the party, and I think
Yes.
he deserves.
Look
this
what
position.
happened to all the tall leaders of the BJP in Gujarat. The guys who gave their blood and sweat to build the party in Gujarat were
That's
so
not-
severely victimized in this election.
Why
These
are we
people,
making
these
Narendra Modi
people were the
into-
ones who built the party in Gujarat
Yet
when Congress
today
was
public has
rampant.
voted
The
for
Congress
Narendra
was
Modi
rampant. That
because-
apart. I am talking about the party's behavior with people who built that party with their life's blood. I have no sympathy.
Because they wanted to back up winning
I-
horse.
I have no sympathy.
Because the party-
They
I
backed
don't
the
want to back
person
winning
who
horse.
was
Fine,
delivering
fine.
the goods.
Fine, but then What about the fact, so the winning horse and L.K. Advani?
That'd be nice.
No, and-
Alec, what I would like to ask you is this.
Yeah.
This is the most
Unlike the
important
Congress
point.
where they
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
even announce who their
Right.
chief
Yeah.
ministerial
All right, yeah.
candidate
Which is true, which
they
is true,
didn't
by the
have
way.
a name,
True,
they
that's why
didn't have anything.
That's why
All
we
right.
lost.
बिल्कुल दुरुस्त बात है ना. There's something for Alec. Now there's
Yeah.
something which I really would like to talk
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
जहां तक के कांग्रेस पार्टी का सवाल है, शाहीन आंसरी ने जो अभी बात कही है वो बिल्कुल गौर फरमाने लायक
मैं भी
है
agree
कि
करता
अब
हूं।
तक गुजरात का आज तो खैर रिजल्ट आ गए हैं, अब तो ये सवाल ही निरर्थक हो गया है. लेकिन कल तक किसी को यह मालूम नहीं था कि मान लीजिए कांग्रेस जीत करके आ जाती है, मान लीजिए वो करिश्मा हो जाता है को जो कहीं कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता कह रहे थे कि होने वाला है कि इस बार नरेंद्र मोदी हारने वाले हैं. कांग्रेस का मुख्यमंत्री कौन होता किसी को पता नहीं,
सिर्फ
कांग्रेस का
सोनिया गांधी
नेतृत्व
को।
क्या होता किसी को पता नहीं. Now here what I would like to ask you is this,
Yeah.
Alex. Does an overwhelming majority mean that Mr. Narendra Modi is right? That Mr. Narendra Modi, whatever he's done in the last 4 years, including whatever took place, as you say, you call it a pogrom
Yeah.
or a
And
riot,
they
does
post Godra,
does
yes.
that mean that Mr. Narendra Modi was right in whatever he did?
Certainly not. Then you say Mugabe is right, you know, what
I-
in
I
Africa?
didn't-
Well, you'd say Hitler is right. There are certain principles, and I'm telling you again, as long as he kept it on development, I actually respected him. Which I'm not saying I don't like Modi, but I respect him. As soon as it went to the communal turn, I would have thought, as a communication so-called expert, that he would avoid that and say, no, I'm still on development. So don't tell me. Instead, he's inciting the mobs to shout, kill him, kill him. I mean, what is going on? In that encounter, a man was shot dead, and then he says, what kind of judgment should we give him? And the crowd shouts, kill him, kill him. I mean, is that supposed to be an election, or is that supposed to be sloganeering and incitement to riot? That's what I call it.
Narendra Modi only talked about development. His work was there for the entire state to see, whether it was the Kanya Kelivni, whether it was the Jyoti Gram, whether it was the illiteracy in women coming down from 49% to 3%, whether it was the increase in agricultural turnover, etc. Public knows the work he's done, and that's why he was voted in.
Not
On
at all.
an election platform such as this, when somebody accuses you of being a Motka Saudagar, I think as a leader, it is your duty to defend yourself if you feel that you have performed for the state, and he was only using it as a plank to reach out to the
I'm
electorate
very
at
surprised.
large.
Right.
Where is
And
it?
that is
Where
right.
is Where
I'm
is the
very
defense?
surprised,
If he's been
at,
called Mosta Saudagar, he should say, no, I'm not, I've never killed anyone. Instead, he incites the crowd to say, kill him, kill him. I shot him in an encounter, what would you do? Kill him. Is
That
that
was
the way
built in
a
the
leader
budget.
is
to
supposed
ask
to behave?
Shaina, I know I respect her views. As a woman in BJP, maybe she also agrees with killing Sohrabuddin. I don't have an issue with
No.
that.
He
What I want to
clearly
ask her, what
clarified
I want
about
to
fake
ask her, can I
encounters
ask
and-
you my question?
yeah.
I want to ask her views about the killing of Kausarbi. Is a
Sohrabuddin's
terrorist's
wife.
wife,
Yeah, his wife.
is a terrorist's wife also supposed to be killed because
Not
you are a patriot? Why?
Not at all.
Then,
But the
then
point
why
is
can't
he
Modi be called a
clarified-
Motka Saudagar?
he
Then why can't Modi be
clarified
called a
that
Wait a
he-
minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a
He
minute. Let's be very
clarified
clear.
his stance
Now, wait a
on
minute. Let me
encounters
make
and
it
fake
clear. Now,
encounters.
let me make it very clear.
And I don't think
जहाँ
women
तक
are
कि-
safer than in any state
जी,
as they
ये आप
are
पहले भी
in
कह
Gujarat.
चुकी हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर अपने दर्शकों के लिए हम ये बता दें कि जो बात तुषार गांधी साहब ने कही है और जो बात अभी अलग पद्मसी साहब ने कही है, उस पर तफ्तीश जारी है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, ये बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है कि चुनावी सभा के दौरान नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो कुछ कहा वो सो कहा, लेकिन उनका यह कहना है कि वो उन्होंने इसलिए कहा क्योंकि उनको मौत का सौदागर बुलाया गया, और क्योंकि उनको मौत का सौदागर बुलाया गया इसलिए उन्होंने कहा कि जो शख्स आतंकवादी है उसके साथ क्या किया जाए, भले वो सोहराबुद्दीन हो या क्या हो। लेकिन यह बात भी कहीं यहां पे अनिवार्य हो जाती है कि क्या सोहराबुद्दीन आतंकवादी था या नहीं था, यह अभी तक साबित
कौन
नहीं
तय
हो पाया,
करेगा?
यह अभी तक साबित नहीं
ये
हो पाया।
तय कौन
बट we will come back to Alec, to Shaina and of course to Tushar Gandhi. तीनों हमारे साथ ही रहेंगे और आपके मैं एसएमएस भी पढ़ूंगा, ढेर सारे अभी तक एसएमएस आ गए। We've already got, let's take a look at, we've already got 934 SMSs so far. That's 938 by the way. And from whatever I can see, I'll of course check them out. From whatever I can see, most of them have come in support of Mr. Modi, which is to be expected. After all, he's won. But first, let's take a look. Let's take a look at what Mr. Modi had to say after he won the election. Modi साहब ने क्या कहा? Let's take a look at that.
सभी नागरिक भाइयों बहनों का अभिनंदन करता हूं और यह विजय गुजरात के 5.5 करोड़ नागरिकों का है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लाखों कार्यकर्ताओं का पुरुषार्थ, हमारे केंद्रीय नेतृत्व का मार्गदर्शन, इन सब के सामूहिक प्रयासों के परिणाम भारतीय जनता पार्टी का विजय हुआ है। एक प्रकार से हम लोग 90 से लगातार ये 5वीं बार विजय प्राप्त कर रहे हैं और हमेशा हमें करीब करीब 2/3 बहुमत से जनता ने विजयी बनाया है। तो मैं जनता का बहुत आभारी हूं। यह वोट पॉजिटिव वोट है, सरकार को दोबारा लाने का वोट है। अनेक नेगेटिव प्रचार, नई नई तरकीबें, नए नए शब्द प्रयोगों के बावजूद भी गुजरात की जनता ने नकारात्मकता को नकार दिया और सकारात्मक पॉजिटिव वोट के लिए गुजराती जनता ने फैसला दिया। गुजरात विरोधी जो भी ताकतें हैं उन सबको परास्त करके गुजरात की जनता ने जीतेगा गुजरात इस मंत्र को बल दिया है। - 2010 गुजरात की स्वर्णिम जयंती है और 2010 की स्वर्णिम जयंती के स्वप्न को लेकर के गुजरात आगे बढ़ना चाहता है। मैं सभी राजनीतिक दलों को, गुजरात प्रेमी सभी नागरिकों को, देश और दुनिया में फैले हुए गुजरात समर्थक सभी भाइयों बहनों को अनुरोध करता हूं, आइए हमें सहयोग दीजिए। स्वर्णिम गुजरात के स्वप्नों को साकार करने के लिए।
Right, still with us, Mr. Alec Padamsee, Tushar Gandhi and Shaina. शाइना जी, आप कह रही थी कि जहां तक रैली का सवाल है वो देखने पर ही बनता है कि जनता किस प्रकार मोदी से, नरेंद्र मोदी जी से बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करती है। Isn't that right?
बिल्कुल, आप कहीं भी देखिए, ना सिर्फ सिटीज में अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, सूरत एक्सेट्रा, लेकिन आप बाहर भी जाइए, धनसुरा, यहाँ वहाँ जितने भी रूरल एरियाज में हैं, मैंने खुद देखा है कि जब नरेंद्र मोदी आते हैं, खास तौर से महिला और युवा जो है बहुत ही प्रभावित हुए हैं उनके काम से। Absolutely, and in rural and urban Gujarat.
Have you read the report of the tribunal that went to Gujarat, headed up by the ex-Chief Justice Krishna Iyer, and what the report was? That women, when these horrible things were happening, I won't even describe what they were because last time I got rather upset, but when these horrible things were happening, women were standing in the balconies clapping. Read the report. Read the report.
Are you trying to say, wait a minute, Alec, what is it you're trying to say? Hold it. What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say women in Gujarat are communal and they want Muslims to be killed? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, I am saying that.
Not
From
at
what,
all.
if you read the report, I'll send it to you. Please publish it. What happened when you saw the Tehelka tape? The Tehelka tape. Hello, Krishna Iyer is a person you have to respect. Come on. Huh? Justice Suresh, they were all judges who went. Read their report. It's that thick. And it talks about all the atrocities were committed.
तुषार गांधी साहब, क्या आप इस बात से सहमत हैं जो अलक पदमसी साहब ने अभी कहा कि गुजरात की महिलाएं ज्यादातर कम्युनल हैं और वो अपनी मुसलमान बहनों को इस प्रकार मरते हुए देखना चाहते हैं?
वो हुआ था, उसमें कोई मना नहीं है कि जब वो हो रहा था तब किसी ने भी खड़े होकर उसके खिलाफ कोई भी ये नहीं किया था, प्रोटेस्ट भी नहीं किया था, बचाना तो ठीक है, अलग बात है।
इसलिए
ये हुआ था, मैं
गुजरात में
जनरलाइज
इतने
नहीं
साल में
करूंगा,
रेप नहीं हुआ है,
मैं
अत्याचार नहीं
जनरलाइज
हुआ,
नहीं करूंगा,
बलात्कार कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है।
गलत बात है कि
And not only that,
होते रहते
one
हैं,
minute,
you
one
know,
minute. Gujarat is
ये
the safest state. It's a
Please,
terrorist
China,
free
China.
state. It's a
Yeah,
gang-free state.
because people are
And
picked up
not
from
only that-
Hyderabad and killed in Gujarat and called terrorists.
That
I
is
think
not at all-
सोहराबुद्दीन को तो हैदराबाद में बस में से उठा के
No,
लेके
this
गए।
is
No, wait a minute, China,
random
China.
talk,
What I
the
would
reality
like
is
you to
in front
ask
of
is,
you.
what I would like to ask you is this. This is most important. And by the way, at the moment, I am playing. You can call it devil's advocate over here or whatever. China alone over here. She's sandwiched between two of these gentlemen.
No, I
Fact
don't
is,
necessarily agree
what
with
I would like to
what,
know is,
even
जो अभी
Tushar
अलग
said,
कदम
that he
साहब ने
has to do what
कहा
I say.
कि गुजरात में महिलाएं भी उतनी ही फिरका परस्त हैं, उतनी ही सांप्रदायिक हैं जितने की मर्द हैं। Is that correct?
आई टेल यू, जहां तक गुजरात की महिला का सवाल है, मैं मानती हूं कि वो सबसे ज्यादा प्रगतिशील हैं और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में आप देखिए कि किस ढंग से वो आत्मनिर्भर है। इनकी नरेंद्र मोदी की इंटायर कैंपेन ऑफ सेव द गर्ल चाइल्ड, सिंस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, द गर्ल चाइल्ड,
Which girl child?
no, Alex,
The Muslim girl child?
all girl child.
Yes,
He doesn't
really?
discriminate. See, you know, this
Go
is
to
the
Muslim
typical thing
locality,
where you
no,
have
no,
a
no,
certain
no,
section of society that only
तो मैं कहूंगा
criticizes.
कि
No, no, no.
मुसलमान और हरिजन बस्तियों में जाके देखो क्या डेवलपमेंट हुआ है वहाँ पर।
No, wait a minute.
वो जो
But the
ghettos
fact
बने
remains,
हैं,
Tushar,
जो
but the
ghetto
fact
बने हैं,
remains.
You've got to be blinded
उसमें-
if you don't
वो तो
see
इंश्योरेंस
development
है,
in
वो तो
Gujarat.
इंश्योरेंस है।
However, the fact
वो तो
remains,
इंश्योरेंस है।
let's be
Not
very
at all.
clear, this is for our viewers. The fact remains, Mr. Modi has won an overwhelming victory.
Yes,
अगर
right.
प्रगति नहीं हुई है तो क्यों जीते हैं?
राजीव,
उनकी
मैं ये कंसीड करता हूँ कि नरेंद्र मोदी ने ओवरवेलमिंग विक्ट्री इसलिए विन की है कि गुजरात की जनता के सामने कोई पर्याय नहीं था। जो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी थी उसने कोई पर्याय दिया
जो आप
नहीं,
नाखुश हैं,
जिसके लिए
मैं नहीं मानती हूँ, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में वोटर्स
वो किसको वोट करें?
Right, now
अगर
that's
मुसलमान
The voter-
अगर मुसलमान
एक मिनट।
नरेंद्र मोदी से नाराज है, वो किसके लिए वोट करें आज?
Shana, could you tell us? Well, you
There
were
is a
saying
thing
something.
called anti-incumbency. It has not been even prevalent in
Anti-incumbency-
Gujarat.
No,
One
let her
minute.
finish. Let Shana
From
finish. You had your turn. जी बताएं.
1990, you have seen a stable, स्थिर government. और ना सिर्फ ये, if you are unhappy with it, I mean, in a democracy, the first thing, the Indian voter is the most intelligent. You have seen governments change all over every state. So to say that you don't have an option, this is ridiculous.
No, wait a minute.
there
Over
was-
here, I put it to you. Alec, would you agree with that? Would you agree with what Tushar has just said? कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी को इतने भारी बहुमत से लोगों ने वापस इसलिए भिजवाया है क्योंकि कोई विकल्प नहीं था. There was no alternative. That the Congress did not present it. Would you agree with that?
I would agree to a certain extent on that. You need leaders of people, and there's no doubt about
yeah, I
that.
put it all
ये
three of you.
election-
Narendra Modi has proved himself.
ये
announced.
election
I put it to all
में
three
दो
of you.
मुद्दे
Now,
हैं.
I put it to all three of you. We'll come to that in just a minute. But I put it to all three of you. The fact remains, आज की तारीख में जो शायना ने बोला कि विकल्प की ज्यादातर आवश्यकता नहीं होती, अगर एक वैकल्पिक पार्टी भी है तो भी अगर लोग नाराज हों तो उसके लिए जाकर के वोट करते हैं. माफ कीजिएगा, आपातकालीन के बाद, इमरजेंसी के बाद 1977 में
बिल्कुल,
कौन
वही तो
प्रधानमंत्री
हुआ।
रहेगा किसी को नहीं मालूम था. लोगों ने वोट किया. 1989 में कौन प्रधानमंत्री रहेगा किसी को मालूम नहीं था. लड़ाई हुई, आखिर में विश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंह जी को बनाया गया, वो अलग बात है, लेकिन कांग्रेस के खिलाफ वोट किया.
मैं बात करना चाहूंगा इसमें. जब इमरजेंसी हटी थी तो प्रधानमंत्री का कैंडिडेट भले कोई नहीं था, लेकिन जयप्रकाश नारायण एक आइकन बन के खड़े थे जिनके पर्याय के लिए लोगों ने वोट किया.
But the fact is,
जब
there was no alternative.
जयप्रकाश नारायण ने पर्याय देने का वादा किया था और उसके ऊपर लोगों ने दिया था. दूसरा, लोगों ने डेमोक्रेसी को बचाने के लिए.
So are you
डेमोक्रेसी
saying-
मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं जो कह रहा हूं, what I am saying is the Congress failed in giving Gujarat an option, and that is the reason why
No.
Narendra Modi won so handsomely, because the Congress knew the day this election was declared, the Congress knew that they were fighting a personality. Right? If you don't
And
have a
that's
personality,
Just one
Please
second.
go ahead. Please go ahead. But by the way, that's what
you
people
have
saying for a long time. जी बताएं.
ये पूरा जो इलेक्शन था, सिर्फ दो मुद्दे थे. एक था डेवलपमेंट, जो पूरी गुजरात की जनता देख चुकी है और बहुत खुश है उससे. आई डोंट थिंक कांग्रेस हैविंग एन ऑप्शन वुड हैव इवन बीन द अल्टरनेट फॉर द जनता.
Development अगर issue
क्योंकि
होता-
एक मिनट
जी।
वी हैव इन एवरी सेक्शन, एंड यू गॉट टू बी ब्लाइंडेड इफ यू हैवंट सीन द डेवलपमेंट इन गुजरात. द सेकंड इज द रिमार्केबल लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी.
Right.
You may love him, you may hate him, but his style of functioning, his delivering, he does not believe in paperwork and 5-year plans and 10-year plans. He believes
Doesn't
in
believe in
action
democracy.
and action now. There are very few leaders who have a mission in life, a vision, and who translate it into
Right,
action.
Alex. What
And
about
that is Narendra
yourself? Would
Modi.
you agree with Rashad there?
No, I have
Congress
said,
did not present an alternative.
I'm saying it again. Modi, when he was on the development platform, it was the right platform. When it moved to Swaraj, it
I want to
suddenly
ask
became
Alex,
one minute. Let me
China.
finish.
Yeah.
When it became that's when the whole thing turned ugly.
Right.
Whether
Why
the
did-
Congress party
Time for us
started
to
it
take a
or he
break.
started it,
Time
that-
for us to take a break. Right.
that is what I say. I think, from what I've heard, he is a good administrator. He's a bit ruthless and he's a bit dictatorial and
What else do you
right.
expect?
He may not like democracy, but I will say that he seems to be making Gujarat I won't say vibrant Gujarat, but the worry, as I said, I think last time, it's not what I'm worried about vibrant. I'm worried about vibrating Gujarat.
Right, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. Otherwise, this is going to go on. Time for us to take a very, very short break. When we come back, Alec Padamsee will still be with us, Shah Nancy will still be with us, Tushar Gandhi will also be with us. तीनों से हम लोग बात करेंगे कि आखिरकार जहां तक नरेंद्र मोदी जी का सवाल है, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि क्योंकि मीडिया के एक तबके ने, बुद्धिजीवियों के एक तबके ने, बहुत लोगों ने, हो सकता है कि फिरका परस्ती के बारे में, राइट्स के बारे में, अलक पदमसी साहब ने एक शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया, पोग्रोम, इन सब चीजों को इस प्रकार इतना ज्यादा बढ़ावा दिया कि शायद पीपल स्टार्टेड सफरिंग फ्रॉम एग्जॉस्शन, लोग शायद थक गए ये सब बातें सुन करके। इन सब चीजों के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे, लेकिन एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। So don't go away, we'll be right back.
The RKB show सह प्रायोजक St. Angelo's IT graduate program. Now it's your time to shine. और Regency Estate, a new beginning of
एक तरफ ऐतिहासिक धरोहर की सुरक्षा, दूसरी ओर 40,000 परिवारों का बसेरा।
ये देश आजाद नहीं हुआ था, तब से ये हमारे घर है।
52 साल से रह रहा हूँ।
अभी आके तुम लोग को जाओ जाओ बोले तो कहाँ जाएगा? मरेगा तो इधर मरेगा।
हजारों की तादाद में यहाँ पर भीड़ इकट्ठा है और इन सारे लोगों की एक ही चाहत है, इनका आशियाना जो है वो सुरक्षित रहे।
मैं सिर्फ इतना ही चाहता हूँ कि एक भी झोपड़ी यहाँ से टूटे नहीं।
ये जो आज मंच दिखाई दे रहा है और नेतागण दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ये सहारा की मेहरबानी है कि इनको यहाँ पर आना पड़ा और जनता की आवाज को सुनना पड़ा।
हमारे घर बचाने में सबसे बड़ा हाथ सारा समय है।
उम्मीद ये की जानी चाहिए कि ये राजनेता अपनी रोटी न सेकते हुए इन घरों की रोजी रोटी और इन घरों को सलामत रखें।
The RKB show सह प्रायोजक St. Angelo's IT graduate program. Now it's your time to shine. और Regency Estate, a new beginning of life.
Right, at the moment, still with us. This discussion, by the way, has been going on even during the break. शायना still with us, तुषार गांधी साहब अभी भी हमारे साथ हैं, अलक पदमसी साहब भी हमारे साथ हैं, तीनों हमारे साथ हैं, और अलक साहब कुछ एक SMS पढ़ना चाहते हैं, जी बताएं.
Yeah, listen.
And by the way, it's illegal to have a phone on during studio, but
it's silent.
You
silent.
Which is okay, because you keep breaking rules all the time. So
Yeah,
it's all right.
I am. Great rule breaker. Okay. I've just got from Ahmedabad. Mobs move to stone Gujarat Samachar office in Ahmedabad, and luckily Amit Shah stops them. So a dictatorship means you don't tolerate any opposition. You just take to the streets and smash people. It's happening in Maharashtra. I'm not saying no. It's happening in Gujarat.
Kind of
It's happened in Bengal. No. But this is wrong. I agree. I think Buddhadev is wrong.
You can't blame Narendra Modi
No,
for it.
I'm saying, but it's still wrong. It does look. Three wrongs doesn't make a right. I agree.
Congress kills in Delhi.
No.
Narendra Modi doesn't become
The
pure.
reality is, may I say
Yeah,
something?
that's
I
what
think
all
the
we're
way
saying.
the media, and with due respect, has been going on bashing Modi to the point of...
So what are they
and
bashing him? I want to know what they're bashing him
They have
about.
been criticizing him
For
on
what?
every
The
single
post-Godra-
ground. And
I
the
have a
so-called
question to ask all three of
intelligentsia.
you.
And I think that the end result
Right, the show is now
that
going to be
he's
taken
been
over by
victimized.
Tushar. Right, go ahead, please.
Yeah.
I have
Go
a
ahead,
question
Tushar.
for all three of you.
Yeah.
Now, this
And that
development
includes
thing
me, right.
is coming out of my ears, kind of thing. We have seen Chandrababu Naidu, I think, was the father of development.
Yes,
in
and I
India.
was to say,
And
so
what
I'm proud
happened
to
to
say
him?
that.
What happened to him? He had
He
even
lost.
killed Muslims.
Yeah.
He lost.
This
And he
is
was the
exactly
father
the
of the
present point.
development plank. What happened to his
This is
development thing?
ex-
So
exactly
development thing is.
So in other words,
discount it
Tushar, what are you
a
trying to
lot.
say?
What I'm trying to
If
say
Chandrababu
Gujarat-
Naidu had killed Muslims, he would have been re-elected. Is that
What
you're trying to
I'm
say?
trying to say is
In-
that this election has been won by an individual in Gujarat because the opposition wasn't able to put up
Absolutely.
a strong
An
enough.
Now, that, by the way,
individual
we'll come to that.
An
I'm coming to you.
individual
In
who
that,
has got
and it is
25
only the individual who won this
Tushar,
election.
I'm with you there. Now, wait a minute.
An
Tushar, what about
individual
Tushar
who has
said?
got 25% of all investment in India, in
शैना जी,
Gujarat,
यो
where
बिल्कुल
you
दुरुस्त बात है।
got so much of
25%
job,
निवेश हुआ है।
livelihood, etc.
गुजरात में ऐसी बात नहीं है। गुजरात में प्रगति हुई है। कितनी हुई है उसके ऊपर काफी विवाद चल रहा है, लेकिन हुई है। इस पर कोई विवाद नहीं है। लेकिन यहां पर एक बात है, मैं अलग पदमसी के पास आता हूं। Right in the beginning, the fact remains that as far as Gujarat is concerned, the Congress, except for the last 4 or 5 days, the Congress kept treating, and I deliberately use this word over here, kept treating Narendra Modi with kid gloves. आपने खुद बोला था यहीं बैठ करके, एलेक्स साहब, आपको याद नहीं है, आपको शायद याद होगा, आपने खुद बोला था कि जो तहलका टेप्स हैं उनके बारे में कोई क्यों बात नहीं कर रहा है. You had said it right over here.
Yes, I
The
did.
fact is, the Congress did not go all out. They did not have an alternative. They did not present an alternative leadership. They did not even believe that they could defeat Modi. Isn't that true?
Yes, let me just say this. If I am against Mr. Modi, it is not because he's not a good administrator. I don't agree with his dictatorial style, but I've been an administrator and I know how difficult it is. So I do respect him for that. What I'm against Modi is not that he's a proud Hindu, is good, I told you. What I object to is the fact that he's anti-human. When people are killed in the streets of Ahmedabad and all over Gujarat after the post-Godra events, 1 minute, let me finish, then he should have taken action. By not taking action and frankly having set up fast courts and all and saying, no, nobody's guilty, nobody, no, nothing, and pushing it all under the carpet till it became such a big mound that the whole of India began to point fingers. If he was a real, honest administrator, he'd have said, yes, it's true, the police did nothing, there were the minority community killed in the streets, and I am going to bring all those villains to justice. I'm saying, is Modi... I'm all in favor of him being pro-Hindu, but he can't be anti-human, that's all.
Shana,
When people create murders, they should
I
be
don't
punished,
think-
and Modi should punish them.
Narendra Modi and the party has always said that the guilty will be brought to task, and they will. But having talked about Godhra over and over again, I just want to ask people, what are we doing about 1984, the Sikh riots, where you don't even have one FIR and you don't even have one minister brought to task? So, I mean, we've got a lot of introspection to do
But
rather
I'm
than just go on
I
about
agree with
Godhra.
you. I agree with you. I'm not a congressman. I agree with you. It should be brought to
आपने
justice.
पहले भी कहा टू रॉन्ग्स डोंट मेक अ राइट. आप ये दुरुस्त बात बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक और चीज यहाँ पे गौर फरमाने लायक है. आज की तारीख में हम गुजरात की बात कर रहे हैं. गुजरात की बात आखिरकार क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि टेलीविजन बाद में आया. टेलीविजन इसलिए आया, इसलिए गुजरात की बात बहुत ज्यादा होगी. लेकिन उसके पहले अगर हम याद करें, 1980 मुरादाबाद, 1984 नई दिल्ली, 1987 मलियाना हाशिमपुरा मेरठ, 1989 यानी 1989 में भागलपुर. आज तक किसी को सजा तक नहीं हुई है, कोई सस्पेंड नहीं हुआ है, कोई गया नहीं है. लेकिन आप ये बताएं कि जहां तक आपका सवाल है अलग पदमसी साहब और आपकी जो पूरी संस्था है, जितने भी लोग आज की तारीख में नरेंद्र मोदी जी को कोर्ट के कटहरे के अंदर आप लोगों ने खड़ा करने की कोशिश की है, आप सब ये बताएं कि भागलपुर के बारे में आप क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, 1984 के बारे में क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप 1980 के बारे में क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे हैं? Now this is something which people want to know, because I agree with you. As far as Gujarat is concerned, whosoever is responsible has to be brought to book. But what about the other people?
Yes, we are bringing... Hello, we are bringing... Hello. If you're talking about the Citizens for Justice and Peace, we are hoping to bring Mr. Modi into the Supreme Court. We are certainly filing a case on behalf of the Pandits that they haven't been given refugee status, Hindu Pandits in Kashmir. We are totally secular, doesn't mean you're for the minorities and against the majorities. You are for justice.
No, I put it to you.
In human terms.
I put it to you, Alec. I put it to you, Alec, and I put it to you, Tushar. The fact remains, Teesta Setalvad, Javed Anand, Alec Padamsee and people like that, सब लोग काफी देर से उन्होंने केसेस फाइल किए हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी के खिलाफ. लेकिन तथ्य ये है, संस्थापित बात, जमीनी सच्चाई ये है इस वक्त कि आज की तारीख में नरेंद्र मोदी जी के खिलाफ कुछ भी एक्शन नहीं हुआ है। शायद ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी वजह हो सकती है कि लोगों ने इतने बड़े बहुमत से उनको समर्थन दिया। इज दैट करेक्ट?
I think